first nerve we're going to go through is the median nerve. Median nerve comes from the neck, comes all the way down, and comes into our palm like this. It hits these three fingers right here. So to do a nerve tension test, what we do is we're going to tilt our head away and bend our hand back. If you're having median nerve tension issues, you'll feel tension, pain, anything like that in this arm into these three fingers. Now an exercise to resolve that is doing what's called a nerve slide. So we're going to go hand back, head towards. So when we do this, the nerve slides down. And as we go the other way, the nerve slides up. So we're going to keep doing this back and forth. All right, the second nerve we're going to do is the ulnar nerve. So that nerve comes down right behind the medial epicondyle. Everyone calls this their funny bone. When you hit your elbow on a corner, you get that shocking feel down to your arm. It's your ulnar nerve. So a lot of people have tension in this nerve as well. So we're going to hold it here, and to do a nerve tension test on it, we are going to bring the hand towards to stretch it out at the wrist, and we're going to tilt our head away like that. And when you do this, if you have tension, pain, any of those symptoms down in your hand, it's a positive test, and there's an exercise for that as well. So to do a nerve slide, we can start right here and tilt our head towards. This is sliding the nerve down. Next part, tilt away, tilt hand away with a little bit of extension. And that's going to bring the nerve towards. So all together, we're doing this. Third and final nerve in the upper extremity is going to be the radial nerve. Radial nerve comes down, innervates these fingers right here. To stretch this nerve, you can see that we have to internally rotate and extend, and a little bit of wrist movement backwards and our head away. This stretches both sides. To do the exercise for it is move arm back, head goes towards. Arm comes up, head goes away. As we move down like this, nerve is sliding down. Move upwards, nerve slides up. So all together, it's this.